Kita mo tong 100 days
In heaven?
traveling to...
Welcome to... Unsa yun,
Dahil
Sulti?
ako yung drawing.
Reason, like,
God
why?
is trying to protect you
From something.
That is true.
Or someone.
Or someone.
Pinterest.
Ako pear-shaped. Pear-shaped.
Pear ship, dakuha sa na yung bugat kayo. Unsay nang ni Colin Pagadasman.
Ay, siya.
Yeah, shout out Dennis.
Ay, Dennis.
Like, even if you're sad, even if you're going through something, even if you're going through a breakup, even if
Or
you're going through
sickness.
like a funeral, sickness, whatever, you still have to show up.
Yeah, show
Kung
up, yeah.
babatuhin ka ng bato,
Batuhin
mo
mo
ng
ng bato
tinapay.
din. Bato.
Ako, okay, I know him.
Dili na siya mag-concert.
No, mag-world tour siya. Huy, totoo please!
Balik ako nagtotoo.
Even if you die, the next day, job posting, Indeed, whatever.
Oh my God, karon po ka here, ana.
Yeah. Or ka nang,
Period.
period. Or navigate adulthood at your own pace.
Yeah.
Di ka kailangan magdali, uy, kay whatever.
Hello. Napakanaminaw, Ani.
Ambot lang, pero welcome sa pinaka-white klaro nga podcast for somehow makarelate ka.
Welcome to Ambot Lang Podcast. Nga, podcast na walay script.
Walay filter, per daghan kang realization so makaingon ka nga, hala, ako man eh.
Yeah, ako di ay si Monty, the certified overthinker.
And ako si Clovel, ang professional red flag enjoyer sa una.
Yes, well, you can listen to this while you're doing some other stuff. This is good for like background noises.
You know, ka-FaceTime.
Barkada lang. Yes,
Barkada
this is it.
friends lang.
Yes, enjoy the show.
Yes.
Mo na to siya. Pero anyways, sige. Dito na studio balik na. Okay. Katong karaan ako ibutang. Which was the first episode. Unya to i-renew every 5 episodes. Sige go.
Hello,
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Kung asa man galit mo, kung Bisaya mo, hello.
And if you're Americans, hello.
Now it's translated.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Ako na may ma-translate.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome sa Ambot Lang Pod. This is our second episode. If nakaya ninyo last episode, good for you.
Yeah. You're our loyal
Citizens.
viewers.
Loyal citizen.
Ay, nako.
Latina forever. Ay,
Yeah. So today, karon,
karon.
we're gonna talk about the most confusing part about our life. Kami, us.
Wait.
Wait.
Before, sa tawag ginom last time, this is a refresher.
Yeah.
Dunkin' Donuts.
The last time I had milk tea, I had boba. Now I have nutty banana.
I have tropical
Dunkel latte.
peach something. Anywho.
Yeah. So going back. So today we're gonna talk about the most confusing parts sa among life, especially us, because we're adults. So do you have any idea? What's the topic? Like, unsay pinaka-confusing part sa life? Ano yung pinaka-confusing na parte sa buhay mo?
Ang pinaka-confusing,
Bisay!
pinakalibog.
Oh.
Sa pinakalibog sa imong life.
Yeah.
Sakto.
Yeah.
Adulting.
Yeah. So
Dong.
yeah, adulting.
Ako meron.
Yeah, it's a very very confusing part of life, and it's the biggest scam of all, adulting. Because before when we were kids, diba, kay Tagalog. Ingnon ba yata pinagsasabihan tayo, oh, here, brush your teeth, do this, do that, and then now here comes adulting. You figure it out all on your own.
They still do that.
They still do that, but not the...
Pero dili na imong mamugdad.
Hoy.
Imong kaugalingo na.
Ow!
Naka-reminder sa phone. You have a reminder sa phone. Oh, brush your teeth. Coffee.
Grabe sa ibutang.
Sa phone. You need to remind yourself, you know?
Yeah, but yeah, it's something like that. Because before we had our usual routine as a kid. Like, you know, we had our parents to do like everything for us, like whatever. But now it's different because we're adults. How old are you? No, sorry. How young are you?
28.
What?
Yeah, I'm 28 years old. I was born in 1998.
Actually, kay Dadrami guys, I'm a 98 baby too. I'm turning 28. So,
1998.
yeah. Anyway,
So young.
so sumaka na kailan ni Monty. Of course, you know.
Of course, I'm 28.
Of course, 28 siya. Anyway,
Yeah.
but
Anyways,
again,
BLK, my lipstick today.
benefit. And
Starface.
then, road. This is the ano pala,
Murag
guys.
every segment na lang.
This is the, ito ko na basta collaboration with Road.
Maghimo na lang tagkuhan na ano yung makeup tutorial.
Collaboration between Bieber and Hailey Bieber, whatever.
Huh?
Yeah, Road. Okay. If you watch the first episode, of course, you know, we usually do our ambot lang moment of the week or the
Yeah.
day or
If
whatever.
you're an English speaker,
It means,
ambot lang.
yeah, ambot lang, it means, ano,
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
Or like, in Tagalog,
Di ko
Di ko
alam.
alam.
Oh,
Ah,
di
love
ko
it.
alam. In French.
oh,
Je
je
ne
ne
sais
sais.
pas.
Wait lang, in
Spanish.
Korean, Burigaso.
Oh, in Spanish,
Ambot?
mulayo. No.
Hula bitaw. I think that's ano,
Yeah,
Burigaso or mulayo, whatever. Wala man tayo Korean na viewer.
Wala na ron.
Anyway, so what's your ambot lang moment of the week? If you
Ay,
have
ako,
one.
ikaw sabi ko, I'm thinking. Daghan kaayo. This week.
This week, wala mo ko'y ma-think ambot lang moment of the week.
Oh, kung ambot lang moment, na-cancel akong trip sa Puerto Rico.
Oh.
That was it. Like, ambot lang. Well, it's okay. The reasonable naman ang pag-cancel.
Me?
Yeah.
I guess I was happy last week. I can't think of anything.
What you ambot lang?
Ambot lang.
Kahit imong tae?
No, not tae.
Hoy! Oversharing na siya.
Ay, kuan. Hoy! Oh my gosh. Now, okay, anyway. Kay, ano lang, uy, dili siya pwede.
Oh, di siya pwede. Okay.
Wait,
to siya
wait,
ambot lang.
katong gitext mo ba? No, I texted you something. And then, because we talked
Nag-record
about,
ta, hello?
we talked about this specific whatever happening sa life in your relationship, and then, ang kato na person nga, atong gistoryaan ba sa pod. Kaya ni-like siya, guys.
No, wag ka ni-text na ako.
I did! Gaslighter! I did! Nayong kunin mo nga. You told me nga, wala na.
Oh.
So, that was my ambot lang.
Sige, expose yourself.
Ay, sorry. Ay, dakan man you like, so we don't know. Ambot lang.
Anyways,
Anyways.
kung unsa ka red ako lips, inana ka red ako utok ron.
Yeah, going back.
Like this tropical.
Our topic for today is different anything about, and everything and anything about adulting. So, can you
Emphasize.
can you define adulting?
My definition of adulting is thank you for the good, great, gracious question. As a girl living
With the slums of Tunda, Manila.
the definition of adulting for me is accountability.
Ooh. So one word
Yes.
dapat.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, one
Anything.
sentence. You account everything.
You account for
One-
everything. In short, accountant.
Financially,
Yeah.
emotionally,
Sakto.
physically, spiritually, everything is
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
your accountant.
Yeah.
Your
You're,
accountant.
you're accountable. For me, adulting is showing up even if you can't.
Pwede sad.
Yeah.
Pwede,
Kay,
pwede.
like, even if you're sad, even if you're going through something, you have to.
See?
Sorry. Even if you're sad.
I'm sorry, kung mo ka doon
Wait.
ato, kwan siya, that was like the ambulance, ambulating.
Yeah.
Ambulating.
Kapuya, oy! But yeah, I don't
Hoy,
think.
bro, giprito direk. I didn't bali doha.
Guys, yung kay Bubble mo the struggle. Namin duha ka lights in front of us niya. Kuhan kay siya ka na
Workout man din eh. Anyways.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, the adulting for me is like showing up even if you don't want
Ah.
to. Because if you're going through something, but say even if you're sad, even if you're like whatever, okay, you have to show up.
Yes.
Okay. You know, we're
Show up.
adults. We're adults. No one can really save us na.
Pwede, kung naka-sugar daddy.
But no judgments ha. Sa
Walang
mga-
judgment. I would want one.
Yeah. So if you want a sugar baby, contact
I'm a 28-year-old
yes.
Filipino
Hala,
woman.
dili ang
Woman.
no, the qualification is 30 and above.
No, I'm not 30. It's 28. Okay, adulting.
Yeah. So meron siya. Anything, whatever. That's adulting for us. Yeah. So next one is we're gonna talk
Next
about
one.
the
Nakoy iPad ron. Ay, no. Yeah,
that's
nakoy
your
pad.
the we're gonna talk about the expectations versus reality of being an adult. Because as an adult, you think that you have your life figured out already, especially now that I'm turning 16. 16. No. I'm
Ako
like
guys, I'm still 18
yeah,
in
I'm
my
gonna
head.
wait, di bitaw, I'm gonna turn ano na 28. Yeah. Like for example for me ha, expectation versus reality. So I was in high school. So I was thinking so I think anak ko sa ano tumurag second year high school niya. You know the usual topic sa mga high school students nga. Oh, when do you want to get married?
Oh
When do
yeah,
you want to
usually
have kids?
mo
And
gid na
ana. So
siya.
unsa mo gito ba gana? Like when do you want to get married? When do you want to
Actually,
have kids?
yeah, let's go back to 1981.
Wait, I thought kuan ka 1998.
Kuan man ko time traveler. I'm a time traveler. Um,
Back.
when I was younger, as
Yeah.
everything,
Mhm.
in 1989, 1999, 1998,
Oh, eight. Girl. Oh, makagani ka tarong ako.
I was a baby born
Mhm.
under the full moon. Oh, sure. Anyways, yeah. Expectations for me as a teenager going to adulthood or wanting to be an adult
Yeah.
was I would have everything laid out. Like everything. I already planned it that by
Yes.
25 I should be married.
Mhm.
I should have a house by then,
Yeah.
a car,
Yeah. That's so true.
jobs,
Yeah.
with us, businesses. Like by that time before 30 I should be well
Yeah.
off. But you know, reality hits that
Mhm.
it's a hard life.
Yeah.
This is a prison break.
Yeah, that's true.
it's it's a hard life.
Kay before nasa ko age. So, pangutan ng ko kan sa mga namin niyo, dapat by 22 kay ko anak ko engaged na ko.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Like 22
By
nagsipon pa
22
ta.
engaged na, huh? Wala na po tayo sipon pag 22. Grabe po. Ang tawag ana, dapat ang last, ana sila, dapat imong last age nga sipunon ka 11.
So di na
Ano
dapat
ron?
sipon ron.
Dili ba ka nang magtulo ba girl? Ano ba?
Nagto lagi ko ron.
But anyway, yeah. Dapat ano daw, dapat married na ko by 22 and then kanang engaged na ay kanang married niya engaged. Dapat engaged na daw ko by 22 and then married by 24, 26 ana. And then 27, 28 kay dapat na nami kids, whatever. Yeah.
What should na hitabo dai?
Yeah, wala.
Nag 40 na lang ka.
Wow! Kaya 20 kay as at 27 now akong edad karon guys 27. Unsa man ni gakas-kas
I know,
magyapon.
right? Like
At
27 sad
27
ko ron,
gakas.
guys.
Yeah. Abi ko. Oh yeah, 27 di ka. Awa good ron at 27
Yeah,
nag-crash-crash pa ko.
I thought 2 years ago na nakoy husband,
Yeah.
kids and
Mhm.
everything.
So wait, do you think na were you dating someone before sa pag high school?
Mm.
Do you remember?
No, I don't date. No!
Oh, sure ka?
No.
Basta kay
Di, di consulting. Hindi ko.
dili kay kanang the person I was with pag high school kay mo ana medyo ka.
Same person?
I would of course,
Oh,
madam.
same person. Same person.
Kuan kanang you would think oh I'd end up with this person. So na jud timeline. So na ba but now tanawa ron 27 crush gihapon
Mm.
character development
Oh,
gihapon.
grabe akong the character developing is developed. Very
It
developed.
developed na gyud like
So
very
developed.
very
Parang, if Attack on Titans was here, I can kill all of them.
oh yeah.
I'm very developed. I'm a Titan.
Nga, basta nga no siya nga you have your specific timelines.
Time,
Timeline.
timelines.
Summer. Yeah, but when you're a kid, you have specific timelines that you wanna achieve ba, and then here
I'm gonna
comes
remove this. Kumurag.
yeah, here comes
It's
kanang
annoying.
here comes adult na kamurag wala man. Like na siguro like some of it like before kanang I wanna have a job and then I have a job now but dili whatever. Dili pareha pag Not like before na I don't know how to explain it. But it's so
Like this topic is very touchy.
yeah, it's very
It's very
ambot lang.
oh,
Yeah, like kanang you know, kaya ka before kanang I think kuan pa ko ato bata pa ko. May si mama would always tell me, "Susnak, the kanang inig lako nimo kami mutigwang." Yeah, me thinking about it ba more kana akong may ganahan I think napo ko sa high school at elementary gusto na ko mag 22. Gusto na ko mag 24
yeah.
kay
What she's saying is, since I'm the
yeah.
translator,
Yeah.
okay, translate.
Unsa ba yun? Na-caught off guard ko na. No, no, no. But when I was a kid, kanang, I've always wanted to be an adult. Like, kanang, I
Doesn't
wanted,
we all want to be an
yeah,
adult?
like,
We all
for
want to be an
example
adult
nga, I
because the
wanna, yeah, I
freedom.
wanna be 18, I wanna be 20 or anything. I don't know what life would be like when I turn 22, 24, and Anna. But thinking, it's so hard. It's so hard to be an
So
adult.
hard, so
Like,
hard.
you expect everything to go smoothly. I'm the good translator to you.
So, like, not smooth.
Oh, like something basta na ba like you expect like kato yung giingon nga everything will be laid out for you
Yeah,
already.
we did not think it through.
We did
So
not like we
next time
underestimated
in another
adulting.
next
Life.
lifetime, another lifetime,
Mm-hmm.
I wish I was rich.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
it's
rich, like above everybody.
like who?
Rich. I don't know. I don't. The owner of the banks.
The owner. The
I Rothschilds.
inside
Rothschild. Search Rothschild.
who's Roth? Who's that?
Rothschild. Child.
Roth IRA or Rath?
Yeah, Roth. Roth IRA and then child. Yeah, they're very rich. We should be them.
19 what? Patay na sila. Oh, of course.
Yeah,
1812.
they're very rich. They're the richest people back in the days. Nowadays, it's Amazon.
Oh, they're dead.
No, they still have like mansions in New York. They're
Yeah,
very
whatever.
rich. Because I watched a docu series
Mm-hmm.
whatever about them. Oh, I don't know if it's a docu series. It's in YouTube, but somewhere there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're very rich. I would want them to be me. Me to be them. That.
Ako siguro, I wanna be a Kardashian for...
I don't want to be a Kardashian.
Basta I wanna live life nga. I don't care about you.
I want to go to Erwan.
Hoy! Kita ka sa story ng Erwan? So, ang Erwan... Kasak mo magsulti?
Erwan.
Erwan? Whatever. Kanang
Erwan.
Erwan.
Something.
So,
Erwan
ang
Yusuf.
kana di siya kay, it's like a Whole Foods kana
Yeah.
anana
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
gibay di siya sa family. Dili sila nagtag-iyaan ng Erwan. They don't own that daw. I don't know.
Oh.
They don't own that niya. Kamatyuno na ang whatever. So this specific couple kay gipalit nila ang Erwan.
A rich family.
Yeah. Actually di pa sila basin kay they were able to buy it but then ila daw gis pa strive whatever blah 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 hantud karon tanawa niya to gani mo.
Oh yeah, it's very expensive, girl. The shake, no, the juice,
Smoothie.
the smoothie was 20
The
something.
Hailey Bieber smoothie?
Oh, what did I get?
The Kendall Jenner smoothie?
The blue one,
I don't know.
the coconut something. That's what I got.
Else, what are your other expectations when you were a kid?
Expectations that I would. Well, I did it already. I would travel the world.
Oh, you're still doing it?
Yeah, I'm still doing it. Yes, I'm still doing it. I'm on my how many countries?
I
now?
think 40 something, no?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What else?
Kita mo tong 100 days
In heaven?
traveling to
Ang one
in expectation. Ako expectations in life is based on TV series.
Yeah,
Kung Power
actually.
Rangers na Power Rangers akong expectations sa life.
Oh, kay you have a mura man siya
So na yung
good.
Megazord dito sa
Yeah.
gawas.
Unsa man akong ay kana ding sa like mag Disney Channel ka. I wanna be like them. Like ana. I wanna be I wanna welcome to unsa yun
Dahil
SLT?
ako yung drawing. Barangay ba ko sa anyways.
But kana expectation siguro kay si tawag na if stable na ka ani na specific age.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25. I said 25. And we're good.
But how old are you now?
27.
Kapag ka! Isulti na yun mong age.
I am 15.
expected. I'm pretty sure daghan, but we can't think of anything now.
Expectations, nako'y mathink isa.
Mm-hmm.
Expected nako true love is real.
Who it is real.
No, it's not.
What was going to happen for us? But it
Girl,
is
in this
real.
age,
You're only 27.
wala, wala na.
No, it is real.
It's-
Ano bitaw ko, like, the past episode, I'm telling you, grabe yung prayers atong future husband kay until now. Single man ta. Kaya they're protecting us from
Wow. Wow.
they're protecting us from this specific person nga. Dapat dili siya makauyab ani kay
Di
ako
ay,
ra siya.
nibalik lagi.
Kay wow ka, traumatized kay siya nimo. I'm not gonna translate it. Kay, oh my goodness. I just said your last name. Ano siya? Ano mo ka? So, nag-drive me, guys. Nag-drive me. Ay, ko, hala, di naman to nagpuyo ang pasyente, oh. Siya, kinsa man ba? Basta ka tong pasyente sa nursing home. Si ano ba? Kana.
Ay!
Ano siya? Ha? Ano siya? Dili mo guna mo ang apelido. Traumatized siya ni mo, ha? Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm swallowing the trauma.
Yeah, but it's okay. Ano bitaw niya, like, it's too early to say na it's not his, dili siya plot twist kay, unsa pa man, quarterly na! Bago na yung first quarter!
Second naman.
First pa, uy.
Second na girl, it's April.
Whatever. Basta nibayad na ko.
Right?
Nibayad na ko sa...
Somewhere second quarter na.
Ah, okay, second quarter. Basta nibayad na ko sa IRS.
Oh yeah, me too.
I did.
I think.
Anyway, so... Anyways, second one.
Expectation. Ikaw man ako.
I did!
Ako expectation, love life.
Same thing. Like, kanang you're gonna have the love of your life at this specific age lagi. Which is
27.
happening for someone. Like, kana sa day, guys.
Di ka na, kana. Ngano ang uban lagi, 23, makakita naman silang fall
Mo
in
sa
love.
ako ingon, kami nga among edad kayo na 27, ang nasa Facebook, hala, okay, hala, engaged, hala.
Kasal na, buntis na.
Sige,
Sige, naman eh.
sige, pakita og bato, ipakita yung mga engagement ring niya
Ako
kami.
sad, I need one.
Yeah, kami sad.
Gusto
Huy,
ko ka na mas dako pa sa akong knuckles.
huy, grabe sad.
Higa na kay 6th knuckle.
Unsa anting-anting, Power
fifth-
Ranger?
Lagi. 6 knuckle.
Do you have a specific, kanang ring? Nga.
Akong gusto nga ring teardrop. No, pear. Is that pear?
Pear.
Pear na ring, like purple ang hue.
Really? Wako
Yeah.
yeah. na.
Diamond na purple.
Okay, whatever. Akong ganahan nga.
Search na to.
Purple. God siya, guys. Last episode, wala siya anything mabuhat. Kaya he didn't have any phone or whatever. Kaya gamit lagi yung record niya. Karon daghan kay siya. Ano,
Girl, I can
makasearch siya
search
dahil.
now because I have my laptop.
Yeah.
Oh, see? It's cute. Wait.
Asa ba?
Ay, di siya mo. Oh, right there. Or not that color. Not this
Ang
color.
you lang.
Yeah. Not that color. For like, basta mas lighter and like baby
Mhm.
purple. Baby purple.
Yeah, ako sad. Kay, kuan ba, we came from a long-term relationship.
Powdered purple.
Na-adyo ko, like, sa Pinterest, ginan ako yung pin nga, the specific dress that I want, specific place that I want,
ako sad,
specific stone that I want.
Girl,
Ang cut di ay, ang
I
cut.
have my wedding set up for me already.
Basta anyway, akong ganahan nga cut di ay kay oval. Okay? Akong ganahan nga cut kay oval, kunya ka nang para mo stack ra siya. Okay?
Oh, sige tanaw. Sige daw.
Oval, excuse me, nasa akong Pinterest.
Ako pear shape. Pear shaped.
Pear shape, dako sa na yung bugat kayo. Wait lang. Wala na noon. Here, o, diba? Engagement ring ideas. Ko, Jude. So, mo ni siya. Mo nang ganahan nga. Cut.
Oh, pakita. Oh,
Yeah,
nice. It looks nice.
Istakra, saka na ba, guys? Istakra, whatever. Yeah. Kana si di, guys.
Oh,
my
no!
gosh. That is specific. I wanted to have the things that my friends had before. Straight akong English. Proud ko ato. Like, for example, kana bitang for you nga para sa face? Basta ka na something machine siya for the face and then everyone had it. Yeah, ako, di may ka-afford, guys. My gosh. Mahal. Uy, mahal siya until now. Yeah. Mahal siya. Yeah, purple, pink. Yeah, everyone had it. Wow, then ganan ka sa imong Christmas gift kay ang red light nga ano.
That I want. Oh. I want.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy that
Yeah.
after sa mga bills ni Colin.
Huy, speaking of Taga Segway.
Speaking of
Speaking
the
of
oh the
Colin.
ambot lang the sweet
Mo
the
din
eye
na.
that
Oh my God. Saan yung gingon? Ay mo pag first.
tikma kong PR.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, my PR.
Guys, inigsulti niya siya. Abot lang mo. Dili to ang PR. Wala na to. Wala na to.
Ang ambot lang, my
Mhm.
dog got hit by a car
Yeah.
and he had surgery.
Mm-hmm.
And now he's downstairs. Ganun.
As
But yeah, he's
in,
in pain.
he
So
just had his
yeah, ambot
surgery.
lang.
Unsay nang ni Colin Pagadasman.
Ay, siya. Uy!
Ay, sorry, Colin.
But yeah, Colin's
Colin, if you're
recovering.
watching, if you're listening, sorry.
recovering.
Yeah, he's recovering. Mo din niya ambot, nakalimot siya do. Mo na,
Di,
anyway.
nana kang ambot lang nga moment kay nakalimot ko.
Mm,
Like, I forgot about it.
yeah. Mo na siya, ang katu, what they had before, gusto ko yung anak. Like, oh my
Sige,
gosh.
tutuyan.
Ang Foryo. Atong Foryo ba?
Huh?
Like, atong Foryo,
For Rio.
whatever ka na.
Search sa dato. Di ba na search,
Yeah.
girl?
And then, yeah,
Magdano
like
ko ni every episode.
like
Frio?
I wanted the stuff that they had because wala mi anak, guys. Oh my gosh. Foreo something? Yeah.
Ferrero?
Foryo.
Scrub?
Yeah, face whatever.
Oh, yeah. This one.
Oh my
Ano?
gosh. Yeah, pakita. Kana ba, guys? Mhm. Na
The
ako my
Foreo.
friends had that before niyo. Gosh, guys, wala gyud uy dili
Hey, mahal
man.
siya. It's like $129.
Mahal lagi,
No,
mahal siya.
there's one, 199.
Mahal gihapon. 199?
I don't know what's the difference.
Mhm.
But it's $200. Oh my God!
Mahal kay siya, di ba, guys? So I wanted that before. Mo na nya ay kana sa di ay hala nag-trauma dump man sa podcast. Kay ba baka kabantay ka bilum ka ng Havaianas before. Havaianas
the
na
500
slippers.
pesos na slippers.
Oh my gosh, di ba na
No,
nasli?
flip-flops na ang pinakamahal.
What dili but Havaianas, but it was a thing before. It was a thing
It's in
sa
Brazil.
Yeah, but it
I'm
was
going to Brazil. You want one?
but no na. Kaya I had one na. But before
What if you
before
want
ba sa Pilipinas, kaya it was a thing. Oh my gosh, all the rich kids had that before.
one? Well, I don't like it. It's slippery.
Lagi, all the rich kids had that. Unya, di ba naman ang
Oh,
event?
no hate. I love Brazil.
Yeah, shout out Dennis.
Hi, Dennis.
Wala na react. But ina na siya kanang all the rich kids had that before niya. Nabi na event sa sa SM Cebu ba?
Oh, I
Kana
don't
bitang na event sa Cebu, ambot lang mga Bisaya paligo. Kanang naalis na event niya, you can make your own Havaianas.
Oh, yeah. No, but no, that's flip-flops.
Havaianas lagi.
Flip-flop.
What's a fit flop?
Oh my God, now I gotta search it again.
Oh my gosh, palaban ka siya sa iyang palaban ka siya sa iyang
Flip-flop
laptop.
sandwich. It's $100. But in the Philippines, it's like 5,000 pesos.
Si nani ba nga na may event nga make your own kani ba make your own Havaianas kani nani.
Oh, not in na?
Naing
Oh, maybe in Ayala.
SM lagi or whatever which part of Cebu nga na Havaianas. Yeah. Nagingano
Ayala.
sila before. Basta na SM. Na may big na store sa SM ang Havaianas.
Di ay?
Mhm. Nasa ubos. Dapit sa
Ano flip-flop ako ma-imagine?
age gap, girl.
Girl, I'm 27.
Basta age gap. Okay, I was 10 then. If 27 ka ron. Anyway, yeah, they had that before niyo, guys. Musuyo ko kay I cannot afford. So the very first Havaianas that I had kay gikan sa kong uncle nga ni uncle ba to or papa black pa jud nga Havaianas, ma'am. Jijimon kaayo.
Ano sa'yo ka, Judge mo?
Ay sorry. Kanang kuan siya ba? Like black siya. Nya kanang bird flag sa Brazil ban siguro to.
Yeah. Flag sa Brazil.
Unya to the point nga gusto ko i-save, guys, gialambri na siya. Gialam, kaya naman yung overused na ba?
Sige, lambre. Oh.
Okay siya. Guys, mas dato mo gani siya na ako. Ako from the slums of Tondo, Manila ba? Kaya bitang, di ba naman yung ana ang Havaiana? So this is your thing. Ya, diri mo so dimtail, di ba? Ang kani nga part, ang kani, di ba naman yung mo hold sa Havaianas? Ay mo slipper? Natanggal na siya, madam. Nabugto na siya.
Ilabay ni mo.
Mao gani, di ba? Because I've always wanted a Havaianas nga
Actually, gilabay ito na akong Habianas ka. Naglagot ko na. It's so slippery. I hate it.
Slippery bitaw
Well,
siya.
actually, let's see. Because I'm going to Brazil. I'm gonna buy one.
Okay.
Or two.
Kana, kay, they all had that before, guys. Pagkatanggal, alambre, ma'am.
Really?
Alambre
Wala
siya.
kang sakit?
And tuson kay they all have that and then I wanted it. Di ba? Di
Oh
na ba
my
yun na nakasign?
god.
Oh my
Pila
gosh.
di ang Havianas ato ah?
I don't know. Look it up.
Oh my god, I gotta look it up. How much is Havianas?
Yeah, as in guys, niya. I think mo dito akong pinaka first niya. Dili pa gid siya not the slimmer type of Havaianas ha, but katong baga. Baga nga ano sa Havaianas. So, mura siya pang lalaki or pantigulang ba na nga Havaianas. Ingani siya ba? Ingana basta mura siya baga bitaw niya ay mas mahal siya mo
But girl, this is so expensive. It's a thousand.
kani mo ni ako and then
Oh, it's nice.
give alambre guys kay para dili
Girl, it's like a thousand 499
si mahal lagi siya.
for a flip flop. That's like 20 something dollars.
Yeah.
But it is the same Ramandari.
Yeah, but still mahal lagi.
I know, mahal. No, it's
Mahal
expensive in
siya.
the Philippines.
Yeah.
You can find like 50 pesos before.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. 50 pesos na slippers
Mhm.
before.
Na if tinood ka nga
Before,
ano,
not anymore.
naka-eyeliner before.
Yeah.
Naam siguro ko.
O
I don't know.
katong
Eyeliner guys sakit
there's
kay
another
na.
one.
Apa?
Habagat?
Na din na chinilas ang habagat?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Mahal sa na.
Actually ang habagat
That's like
nga
2,000
bagay mo na
pesos.
yung mga bugs mga bad boy ang habagat. Anyway, ang second one na part sa adulting is magkuhan na because fast forward. Kuhan siya. It's ito. Survival sa adulthood.
Survival mode era.
Kay actually wala ni hilo na po
Survival
kay
mode kay yeah, now
I think this is gonna be
I'm-
shorter then.
Yeah. Well, I didn't expect. Oh no. Before I didn't know na like, cause I guess like habits. Well, we don't notice it kanang kids ta
Mhm.
how habits are. I guess murag repetition na kay nato, and it's not really like a big thing in our life before. Kay murag yeah, you go to school and then
You brush your teeth.
everything, libang ka, kaon, go
Yeah,
to
yung
school
routine,
again,
yeah.
sleep, watch TV a little bit, play outside, and come summertime, same gihapon. Like it's a repetition,
Yeah.
but you don't notice it because I guess when we were kids, we were having fun.
We were living life.
Yeah, but now as the adulting,
Yeah.
the autopilot tends to become dull.
Yes.
Like I personally speaking, I am tired
Yeah.
constantly. Even if I'm
Speaks-
not doing anything, literally I'm on the computer doing notes, which I love doing notes and audits
Mhm.
and stuff. Stuff.
Stuff.
But I guess like the repetition part
Mhm.
of it is getting dull,
Yeah.
and you might think na like your life is so boring.
Yeah. But
Like
it's not. You're just
yeah, but it's like no, so that's how we call it survival mode, because even if um it's repetition, you're trying to overcome the boringness of whatever because you're trying to survive
yeah.
ends meet and then whatever, like trying
Mm.
to work, because work is usually just repetitive.
Yeah. So when yeah, kay before kay nag here taga US man jud siya no, but so kami when we came here like 2022 para you know ni basta ni immigrant na gud mi diri, whatever.
Before Trump.
Kaga.
Oh, sorry.
Basta ka na. Kay, niya na gid siya. Like, di ko kalimot. I will never forget this. Basta ningon siya nga, dahil enjoy yun na. Nga wala pa mo nag-work.
It's true. I've
like,
been telling everybody.
Enjoy enjoy imong life without, before you start your real life nga imong work. Kay, it's never gonna be the same.
Yeah, it never ends.
Yeah. Nya ako kay, I've started working since 2022. Kay, sa Pilipinas, guys, segue, wala magi pa work. Kay, you know.
Yeah, we don't usually in the Philippines we
Yeah,
don't
we
we don't
don't,
work, especially if you're a full-time student. I mean, it's a luxury that you are not expected to work, but there are some people that work
Yeah.
and does study as
Mhm.
well,
Mga,
but
tawagan na nila,
working student.
yeah, working students.
But majority of the Filipinos focus ra good sa
Studies,
studies
yeah.
because they want to finish and then
Yeah.
have a good job after, which
Yeah.
is a very good luxury. I mean, it's a luxury for
Yeah,
us
it is. Like,
because a lot of people doesn't
yeah, we're
get
so
that
blessed na
opportunity.
kanang hatagan me of what we want pa, and then we can focus on our studies and kana siya. So whatever, wala mi ka start. I haven't worked sa Pilipinas good in personally, wala gid ko ka work. Like si ate siguro, like here and there the businesses, but
Yeah,
not
the
like
businesses.
here. So mo dyan ako, he always tells us na enjoy gyud na dai kay lahi ra
Yeah.
gyud. And then nagsugod ko og work kanus sa pagod to 2022 or 2023 gikapoy na ko.
Yeah.
So after like I didn't know nga, oh
The
my gosh.
repetition that I
Yes,
told you,
it's
it's
gonna
getting
kana
dull.
mo na siya na cycle kay we didn't drive before, so we always had to catch the 6 punta na nga 606 train, and then we had to catch the
Six
bus
train.
and 606 na train, whatever, sa Metro North.
Ah.
And then I had to work sa Bronx, so I had to catch the 606 train, and then after muna ako galing a Nersha, and then I had to ride the bus, and then I had to like sa bus stop, and then walk, do your
Oh
work, do
yeah.
the same
The
thing.
walk. The walking
Yeah.
part.
Do the same. You do the same
Yeah,
thing
the
every
repetition
day.
gets dull and then you get tired. Even if you're not doing anything, you're tired.
Yeah.
Literally, I get it now why you're always tired. But yeah, I'm always tired now. What's it called
Mm-hmm.
that? Nakalimot ko sa akong gist. Oh, my advice for those people who doesn't work yet, enjoy it.
Yeah.
Be a slug, be a potato couch.
Yeah. It's not.
Do everything that is laziness right now
Mm-hmm.
because once you do have to work, never ending siya.
Yeah. I
It's
think.
like you can't really end the cycle anymore because you have bills, you have wants you want to buy, needs
Yeah. I
you
think
have to
I think that's
pay.
the second one, of money pressure.
Yeah, that
The
I mean
segment.
it collide
It
collide it
it
mixturize
connects.
mixturize
It moisturizes.
it's
It
moisturizes
marinates.
it's
Basta.
marinated.
Yeah. I've been only working for 4 years or maybe
Oh my god,
whatever.
I've been working for 8 now.
Yeah.
Wait,
And then
2018,
kanang murag
19.
dili na nimo, like it's a priority na you're working. It's not like never mind. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna do this.
but from time to time you need to give yourself a break,
Yeah. So like
especially
you're
now
gonna
we
be
don't have kids, we don't have
you're gonna be
family.
stuck in this
I mean, other than the
cycle.
direct
You're gonna be
family.
stuck in this cycle, and then you're gonna say, "Hala, oy, kanu sa man pwede mag kanu sa pa man mo stop." So once you start working, wala na good, guys.
Forever na siya, forever and ever, until you
Until you retire from.
from work or from to heaven.
Yeah, it's true. Kaya dito mo kita pa no.
Yeah,
But yeah.
sure,
Basta,
Juka.
sure. Yeah, okay. It's never, but muna siya, next one is like ang money, ang pressure, everything. Okay, it's never, dili na ka pwede mag-stop. You can't stop working because you have to pay the bills. Kaya being at
The bills
home na.
doesn't pay itself.
Mm-hmm. Amen. Di na ba? That's the.
Well, unless you autocorrect,
Autocorrect.
auto pay, auto payment,
Mm.
it pays
Basta-
itself.
No, but if you still auto pay, wala, and if you're not working,
Di ba, this is just the gist.
yeah,
Wag mo
yeah.
auto pay siya. It pays itself if you put auto pay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it's never. Dili na gyud, guys. It's never gonna be the same. But gina mo it's never gonna be the same. The person you were like before you started working, wala na to eh. Kalimti na to.
Muna good. Di na good siya.
Especially, oh my gosh, kani siya trabaho, guys.
Yeah, I have like millions.
We were just talking about it sa si Ate Jen. But hi, Ate Jen. Sabi ni Ate Jen, nagtagalog, alam mo na Jen siya, be, di ko kaya yung ginagawa ni Monty. Kaya murag, her down na just doing like nursing home and then home care, kapoy na siya.
Well, I did that for 4 years.
Yeah, gikapoy na siya. Okay.
3 jobs in a day. I'm still doing it. Well, now I'm doing down to 2 because I stopped my home care. But yeah, it was fun for me. I had fun because especially kung like the team is good, like I can
Yeah.
interact. But now it's getting boring because I'm always in the computer.
Yeah.
Not like before, but like it's good. Good money.
Yeah. And ano siya kay, muna na mo topic ni Ate Jen. Sabi, di ko na kaya. Muna ana siya man niya. Kanang, di daw siya kabaw, like how you do it bang murag, oh my gosh, kapuya,
I actually don't know Ate Jan.
Ate Jan, di niya
myself, I don't know.
alam.
Imagine 2 years ago, I did 3 jobs every day until 12 midnight or something. After that, I do my doctorate school for an hour just to do all the paperwork and stuff, assignments, projects, and then sleep, wake up early again, go back to Dumont. Like imagine, I don't know. I personally don't know because before I worked 7 days a week.
As in, grabe, kami kay, kaya wala pa may
Now it's
nag-start.
just 6 days. See?
Yeah, ni mature na siya, guys. Just 6.
Just
Not
6.
7.
Just
So
6
na
days.
siya, na siya yung rest day,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Kay basta na kay mo to ingingon kay the bill doesn't pay itself. Kay you really
It
have
does
to
not.
do.
And as much as possible, I need to take this advice, like limit your spending.
That's what I was gonna say pala. Pala Tagalog kanang when you're a kid kay murag when our parents doesn't give us what we want. Murag, ngano
Also
man?
healing the inner child.
Murag ngano man nganong dili man mo nganong dili man mo musugot niya kan here comes the work na ka amo di ay kay you never know nga oh I can buy this iced coffee but the next day wala na ko ikaw nun kay
Yeah. I mean, priorities all the time.
yeah
You gotta set
do
your
unsa tawag
priorities.
na nanay like do
Do
not
not do
overspend.
unto others what
Oh,
you
di
don't
na do
want to
do
others.
kung babatuhin ka ng bato, batuhin
Batuhin
mo
mo
ng
ng bato
tinapay.
din. Bato din.
Kanang kuan, like kanang
Ay,
kalimot na
no,
ko
no,
sa
no.
akong ingon.
Kung batuhin ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay na
Hard,
harden.
matigas.
Frozen. Frozen tinapay.
Oh, kay kalimot na ako sa akong gingon. Sa akong gingon. Like, muna na
Apart
siya nga
siya
part
sa
kay mo hilak na siya.
part siya sa healing, I guess, nako kay murag before I do want to do makeup, dress up as a girl, mga bra and everything.
Mhm.
But now like kanang the way of how I heal that part na neglect nako when I was a
A
kid
kid.
is like to show
Wala
more
siguro mo na neglect but you didn't have
what
the sakto sa neglect siguro kay you didn't have the means man.
neglect jud to siya.
Neglect yun kay wala
Kay
gyud
it
means
was not accepted back
back
then.
then.
I mean, now there's still a lot of stigma about it, pero
Mhm.
like it's much more compliance.
It's much more. Oh my gosh, kalimut sa word.
Accepted na lang.
Sige,
It's
accepted.
more accepted compared to
Mhm.
before.
Yeah.
That's I guess like that's how I heal my inner child na mga wants, like to show as more
Uh-huh.
feminine as I can be.
Mhm.
But I
Yeah.
don't want to do, transition, but
Oh, yeah.
it's just the feminine part. I
Yeah,
just
we're
want to
talking
be
about konde, guys. Healing our inner child.
yeah, healing our inner child.
Yeah,
And
okay.
buying bags.
Yeah.
I love bags.
It is important to heal your inner child. I don't know if some people will agree. Kay na yung ibang generations, they don't really get it why we do this.
Ay, oh, ito. Before, when the other kids have like, well, gay, Barbie dolls nga mga nindot.
Imo kay truck.
No.
Ay, sorry. Abi
Kanang,
na ko ganang
oh,
sir.
kanang Barbie nga playhouse ba? Mahal ba na?
Ang dollhouse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like a big dollhouse.
Kanade, guys, we didn't have
Oh
that
my God, I did
before.
not have that. Now I'm the Barbie.
Yeah. And
I'm the
na siya
Barbie.
sa yung own dollhouse.
Ako na puro dollhouse.
Yeah.
Ako lang Barbie. Grabe pagka-heal sa inner
Mm.
child.
Yeah. Ang sa daw kay amot lang.
Didn't mo makuha before.
Yeah,
You're trying to get it
na
now.
different generations that don't really do that siguro kay amot lang. I don't know. Dili lahi man sa atong generation karon. Kay dili sila kasabot nga.
No. They do that. But they don't realize
They
it
don't realize that they're doing it.
Yeah, they're doing it because they
Mhm.
don't have it before. They don't realize it.
Yeah.
I see it.
Even the
Not to name names, I see it.
yeah, even the Filipino parents na kind of bitong they pass on their dream to their kids. Like for example,
Which is not good.
kuan de guys, if you're Filipino, it's either imong family kinasa nurse siya or like healthcare. Na, so kanang work there are specific ano ba nga they want to pass on their dreams to their kids like ikaw dili nimo wala ka na you didn't fulfill imong dream nga want to be a nurse. So imong anak imong gipa nurse. So and yeah, so, which is I don't
Well,
know.
it paid off, I guess, for some people.
Yeah. But yeah, ako sad. I don't wanna do OT, pero thank you. Thank you, ma. Pero
Same. I want to
yeah.
be a chef. I'll be a
Karon,
chef one day. Watch.
it's if you can't be a chef,
I'll
date
marry
someone.
a chef.
Mana guys.
I didn't marry a chef. I dated a chef.
Yeah, naka-date siya og chef, but
Head chef. Head chef in the city.
Times Square.
Hoy!
But yeah, healing your inner child. Kami
Times Square doon
ako,
sa Broadway.
Yeah. As ina dito. Cute to siya.
Okay. But,
Yeah, but ako kay abot lang bumosa na mo gipasa mo na ko pasabot sa akong parents yan yung ano ipaano ko whatever sa parents ko kay
Pinarealize.
Oo. Unsay
Like,
Tagalog na? Pinag
sisisihan?
dili po regret. Yan yung inaano na lang oy kay ano means a lot of things. Kanang mo na ko gipasabot sa akong parents kay
That's what you try to make them understand.
yes, kana unsay Tagalog lagi, not English.
Mom, why are we doing
Whatever.
Tagalog?
So kana whatever. So kay before, oh my gosh, I remember ni adto ang I think Jonas Brothers. Niadto sila sa waterfront. We couldn't
Oh
afford
my
it.
God, everything there is expensive
Yeah,
as a
we
ticket.
couldn't afford the
Oh, that
ticket.
one too. I can go to ticket like any
Mhm. Mhm.
like shows I want to go, like
Yeah.
artists,
Mhm.
which I can't
Kay
do before.
wala
Super
gyud.
Junior before, girl.
Yes.
You know what? Akong birthday, to
Gift.
cut you off. Akong birthday wish ni God before. Kay grabe I'm like I'm an elf.
Mhm.
I'm still an elf, but I don't listen to them anymore. But I love them.
Yeah.
Makita na lang ko si Donghae.
Mhm.
Girl,
Ayang
akong dream. Nagkita gyud yung Donghae.
ang iyang
Gihug
iro
siya ako.
guys.
Yeah, akong iro. My
Mhm.
my my dog in the Philippines is named Donghae. May
Mhm.
he rest in peace.
Yeah. So kay kanang specific cause what we couldn't afford before kay we can afford it now,
Hmm.
ba? So it's somewhat healing your inner child. Going back
Or
like
managed to afford.
Jonas Brothers, we couldn't really go. I think barato na yung ticket. 3,000 pesos.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
For doon.
Waterfront. VIP na. It's
Oh
VIP.
my
So
God.
we can afford that inana.
Kasayang.
And then inana so which is
Super Junior before. 5,000, 6,000.
mo lagi na ako
But no, but like MOA Arena.
akong friend sa college kay she went to Big Bang ba sa pag Manila.
It's
Basta
usually
lahi sa damo.
it's usually 10,000 something.
Yeah, and
Kung
then
ato kag VIP or whatever.
muna akong and speaking of
But that's
kapag
cheap compared dire.
yeah.
Here it's like the VIP is like $1,000.
Mhm.
That's like 50,000 pesos.
Yeah,
You can
ang
buy literally food for probably 3 months
mhm.
for family of
So
four.
that's why we went to the Jonas Brothers concert with my sister. So muna siya. Muna akong gi-explain first nila mama. And then which katusad akong my first job when I got here sa States kay nang babysit ko, bantay digo lang, whatever. So I told my parents, akong first sweldo is I will buy the Justin Bieber nga ticket. Kay I had the ticket yung Tagalog dasad, ganun Tagalog ko. I had his ticket katong pag My World niya, wala ko'y pera guys. Wala joy anything, no means to buy that ticket sa yung first time. And then here comes Purpose yung tour. So akong gibuhat kibo ka, I had to sell my phone. My other phone. I had
Here?
no sa Pilipinas. I had another I had an extra phone so I had to sell that para makago ko sa iyang concert sa Manila. So okay na baligyan ako 3,000. So I was able to buy it. Kaya ba kaasa? Ma'am, nosebleed na ticket. Kaya ba ka nga, why they call it nosebleed? Kay you're so high up, mag nosebleed na ka. Ay nga na siya. So si
Nag-nosebleed
Justin,
ka.
dili ba like ang no, they call it a nosebleed ticket daw kay taas kuno kayo ang pero Arizona ba nga taas na kay altitude. So mag nosebleed daw
Did you
ka.
nag-nosebleed ka?
Wala lagi guys
So
kay
no, it's not a nosebleed.
no kay
Dapat na
na
nosebleed.
cancel ang tour.
Oh, na-cancel ang tour.
Na-cancel
So
ang
wala ka
tour.
nag-nosebleed.
Wala.
But
So
but tell me, nag-nosebleed ba mo sa mga nosebleed seats?
but yeah, mo na lang that's what they call it. So na-cancel ang Purpose nga tour.
Kaya tinuod ba ang red eye flights? Mag-red jud imong eye.
Biskot.
Tinuod bitaw. Dili.
Okay, mo na gina.
So dapat mag-nosebleed mong tanan.
Huy, so muna ay nakabay ko sa ticket
Mm.
sa whatever. Gikuha to na mo sa SM City ang ticket ni
Grade
Bieber.
mo?
Yeah. So gi-cancel I cannot forget about this. Na ako sa SM Consolacion sa Dunkin Donut.
And you didn't come to Coachella.
I know. So anyway, listen. So I was in Dunkin Donuts sa SM Consolacion and then oh my gosh guys, iyang gi-cancel. So which is okay kay I had that ticket sa iyang concert but wala ko'y kwarta pang fly. So I was thinking after mura na siya hulmigas, di ba, sa akong view. But,
mag-YouTube din lang ka.
yeah.
Nag-YouTube man siya sa Coachella.
Muna siya. So anyway, I wasn't able to buy that one. Anyway, what was a good pang fly? So, wala pa kay boss silang mahama. Nag-buy ko, ana.
Wala na, kibaw na
Kaya
siya.
I had to sell on my other
kibaw to
phone.
doon.
Karon pa. And then, here comes a Justice. So, muna ang Justice, kaya I was already here sa Pinas, sa
New York.
US. So, anak ko, oh my gosh, akong please, ako yung una nga sweldo, like sa babysitting a job, like bantay tigo lang, I'm gonna buy it. So, balit ko sa Madison Square Garden. Cancel.
Again?
Kaya nahiwi ang ba. Kanuno ka to?
Oh.
Like, siya.
Oh my
Dili to. Say
God.
tama na.
Bell's
Dili
palsy.
bells, but somewhat
Stroke.
basta nahiwi ang baba.
Jaw
So
problem.
ina na ba like, and then mo dyan na before ko na before K-pop, I was a believer. Okay, believer gyud ko as in dugit taod na ng
Ako,
K-pop
Elf.
nga 2011, 2012 dugit na.
Elf, sorry, sorry,
Ako
sorry, sorry.
ako na like gipasabot mo sila I have to go to their concert. So
Wa
go
ka nga to Coachella.
I know kay mo biya ka nga no I'm going
Wala ni mo na-heal imong inner child.
I will heal it kay I know
Dili
him.
na siya
No,
mag-concert.
mag-world tour siya. Huy, totoo please!
Balik ako nagtotoo ano.
Mag-world tour lagi siya.
Dili daw.
Ay, kung i-gaslight niya, ayaw ba? Hiwi, ba?
Dahil
Kana,
mag-world tour siya. Unsa may katahon?
sorry,
Unsa may katahon
sorry.
niya, be?
Swag!
Mora.
And then, no, wala
Yung
man siya.
mag-YouTube siya.
No, wala niya na dayon ng purpose of justice.
Yung mag-YouTube siya.
Actually, nag-justice siya, but iyang gi-cut short ang iyang kon. Kinahiwi lagi ang baba. Like, believer ko before niya, kanang naabot
Anemia
ka,
na.
niya, kanang naabot o kanang, kana sa elementary bitaw nga, sayo mo K-pop, guys, sayo mo alang, nobody but you. Kana ba, may ko kita nila, pero okay naman ganahan, sige po ko niya. But anyway, that's like healing, mas mo na ang daghang kayo, nobody.
Uy, possible ko to, di mo na
Ikaw
tayo.
may
Ay.
sorry I'm pretty sure they do understand it kaya ana si mama ana siya nga ang dili daw siya like for example magtanaw ko K-drama nanak di lagi kong tanaw yung anak kay maadi ko but I know they know pero disod ka dapat hindi mo ipasabot
Lagi.
nga anak
Hindi mo
kay
sakasabot, ana.
they do siguro pero in denial
Lagi, hindi na alam sa kailangan nila i-heal ilang inner child. Which
kana sa day
I
they
lagi
have
think,
to
magod kay, mag-pray lang ta ni God na i-heal. Sige.
yeah but they have to process their emotions
Yeah, that's why a lot of pent-up emotions is in there. But anywho,
Di
next
siya-
topic.
ang kuan like comparing yourself to others as an adult do you still do that
Before I do that, as I got older, which akong real age should 30,
finally dagay
wala ko ipaki nilang tanan. I don't care. If what you think of me, I don't care. I don't care.
yeah
Diba?
na siya
That's why just to ganahan na jud ko before mag-vlog or whatever. Karon na jud ko naka I guess kay I don't really care. I don't care kung di mo ganahan ani. I don't care anything. I mean, I care probably deep inside, pero not to the point na I would be wrecked about it.
yeah actually as in pag okay na siya nga ko ano nga pag-podcast sige mag-podcast
Yeah, because I don't know. When is it gonna start? Don't worry, napailain segue pohon ani.
I know daghan kay siya ganap guys
Promise, like usa. Next segment, you're not behind. Unsay mo ang kuan ana? Outlook in life.
for me that's what I always tell myself kay
Sige, kuan.
my high
Sige siya
school
ka.
my
Anyways.
high school friends or even my college friends, they're already practicing their profession. That's siguro that in that aspect, they're already practicing their profession. Like, ako, I'm still going to grad school. So, for me, I always tell myself, dili lagi ka behind. Sige lang.
No, you're not.
You always,
Um,
you have your own timeline.
Ako inanasag ko, before, that was 4 years ago. No, 4 years ago, yeah. Kay PTM ako before. I was physical therapist assistant before I passed my physical therapy license.
Yeah, licensure.
So, I did at some point in those years, I think that was the end of it. Like, I would not probably pass the exam. That was it. But with prayers and support sa family and friends,
Yeah.
you're not really behind technically. You're at your own timeline.
Yeah, that's what I always tell myself.
Thinking of it na before I did enjoy that time of my life na wapo kapasar sa physical therapist na license. I did enjoy it because now it's the license of my license right now is much more heavier than what I had before. So I guess it was worth it. The delay was worth it.
Yeah.
I was not behind. I did think once that I was behind because everybody was traveling, everybody was buying things that they want. Even back in the Philippines, sa mga napiti na before sila, Lil and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Like,
Shout
you,
out sa Ate Lil sa taas.
Lil? Oh,
Ate Lil?
like, kanang murag, everybody had their life
Figured out.
figured out already.
Uh,
Like, me thinking everybody had their life
figured out.
figured out, but it's not really true in a sense. Maybe it's just me thinking that
Thinking.
they did
Mhm.
have their life figured out.
Me, I had to move here.
Yep.
So, with akong mga college friends, of course, nag-start na silang life na they're practicing OT, and then they're opening their own clinics, and niya ako, I was stuck here.
Yeah.
Didn't stuck. I'm in a new chapter sa akong life, but sila siguro they already started it, but me, I had to move. Me personally, I had to move here to be with my parents, and then sila kay okay, they have their own clinics, na sila kana sa day guys, na sila own clinics unya na minyo pa jud, so na sila ilang own.
Grabe na good ang
Yeah, na sila ano
stab in
ba?
the heart.
Na sila
Where they have everything that you want. I mean, different kind, but they have.
yeah, so na sila they're at their own pace.
Mm-hmm.
Kay sila siguro they think kay it's a different perspective kay sila kay they had their life figured out. For us kay naman sila dito. Like ano ba?
Yeah, they
I
were
was
there.
still there. I was still there in the Philippines, and basin sila they're also thinking uy si Kuan kay na siya dito, so she's living her life and ana. So
Yeah.
yes, I was there, so kanang ako ba nagbaligya mi sa whatever, nag-agape mi like pasabay sa Korea, and then my classmates are starting clinical instructors whatever. Yeah, which is so different me thinking now kay nara jud ko sa akong own pace sa akong life. Like, I'm gonna start grad school soon. So, makapractice na sa ko sa akong own profession. Like, I'm a firm believer of everything happens for a reason, yun. Everything really happens for a reason kay, oh my gosh. Kana, di, kano si tatawag na theory? Burnt toast theory.
I don't know that.
Burnt toast theory nga kanang, very good sa, for example, sa 9/11. Nya, nagluto ka og bread. Burnt toast theory niya. Tungod kay, na nasunog ang imong bread, you had to do it all over again. So, sa katong, while nag-redo ka na nga whatever, ang kana nga delay kay na happen to ang for example.
Yeah.
ina
Like
na
right
ba?
now, like my Puerto Rico delays or na cancel. I don't feel bad about it, especially if there's cancellations or like going out. No, I guess it's not meant to be, and there's a reason for it.
Yeah, naji reason like
God
why.
is trying to protect you
From something.
That is true.
Or someone.
Sometimes
But
someone
depende
is me.
na sa imong
Sometimes someone is me.
yeah, God is protecting you from someone, but it's not sa imong free will
Yeah, or
if you choose
God is protecting you from yourself.
that's true. Or kanang
Period.
period. Or
Nobody
but you. Kanang dili ka na sa ding God is protecting you from someone ay kanang from something. Pero depende na nimo if you let that thing or let that person come into your life. Yan nasakitan ka.
So true.
Nobody but you.
Well, it is what it is.
Yeah, kana
It
you're
is what
guys,
is
you
it.
are not behind whichever part of your life right now. You're in the right path, as in navigate adulthood at your own pace.
Yeah.
Di ka kailangan magdali uy kay babalik din tayo sa
Life is a cycle of life.
life is cycling.
Recycling.
Nanasanding ang part.
Anyways, so, kuha na ta. Nata sa bitter end.
Yeah. Bitter end?
Yeah.
Bittersweet.
End.
Bittersweet ending.
Oh, bittersweet ending.
But what did you learn?
What I learned that I was right all along.
About what?
About everything in life.
Weh! Sige, kanina lang. What do you like and what don't you like about adulthood?
The accountability part.
Balik siya sa iyang first answer.
Balik sa akong first answer. I don't like the accountability part. Because you need to be mindful about everything.
Yeah.
Which I don't like.
Mm-hmm.
Because I want to be free.
Free!
Ganang free.
Free
about,
as a bird.
Yeah, like
Unsa
anyways,
to?
let's go back to the topic. We'll talk.
Ang kato, what I like about adulting siguro because I can afford na what sa mga things that I like and I want to do. But the only thing that I don't like about adulthood, it's so draining mentally. Like,
Oh yeah. Well, not every day I'm tired. I'm not
it's
even
like,
doing nothing.
yeah, it's like, you have to mentally go through everything, but you still have to shop. Mo na akong pinaka, ano, like, yeah. Like, para atong kuan ko, katong break up, whatever. I had to show up sa work. Kay,
Girl, break up. I went to Puerto Rico.
mo na, kay, mo lagi na. Like, even if you're sad, even if you're going through something, even if you're going through a breakup, even if
Or
you're going through,
sickness.
like, a funeral, sickness, whatever, you still have to
Yeah,
show
you
up.
show up. Yeah, that's the hardest part about adulting. Like you
Mm-hmm.
need to be an adult about everything.
Mm-hmm. You have to
Even
show
if
up.
you're heartbroken, you have cancer, even if somebody died in your family, you have
You
to
still have to show
be
up.
professional.
Yeah. But I said, don't be like some other people na they make work their life na.
That's me.
Kay dili ba? Kay, even if you do like whatever parts mo work, kay there's, even if, and then mamatay ka, they're gonna post your job the next day.
Oh yeah, that's true. They'll
Yeah.
replace you right next to that day. Right next
Mm-hmm.
to that day.
Like, remember what happened sa Wells Fargo lady?
No,
She died in her cubicle sa yung workplace.
really?
They did not even know that she died, but 3 days later, nakasimot na lang sila nga, why is there a foul smell daw? Kasi nag-ano na siya, she was asleep. And then, they were, so wala, they
3 days?
3 days. Well, no concern or anything, but naka-feel lang sila, anong baho? Like, anong na
Was she
foul smell?
friends?
I don't know. Why na foul smell, whatever. Namatay siya sa yung cubicle. Work siya, namatay, girl.
Ew.
Dili sad, dapat im reaction.
Sorry, baho. No, the thing is, why would nobody like, hey,
Yeah.
eat your lunch?
Mo lagi, yeah.
Former.
Even if you die, the next day, job posting, Indeed,
Oh
whatever.
my God, karon po
Mhm.
here, ana.
Yeah. As
Wells
in, work
Fargo.
siya. Wells Fargo ata or whatever. Sorry if dili Wells Fargo, no.
Someone,
If you made it through this part of the segment, comment. Unsa ila comment?
comment down below, say, quacknit.
Koknit.
Or quack quack. I love quack
Quack,
quack.
quack,
Oh, I
quack.
miss quack quack. It has been Ambot lang
Kung
pod.
kabalutan si sakto, pero buhaton ba nato?
Ambot
Ambot
lang
lang
pod.
pod.
Bitaw. See you
Huy, see you
next
next
episode.
episode.
Comment down below. Please subscribe, like, share, please. Okay, bye.
Bye.